Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's the first time stopping by to my channel. My name is Atineke. So this is the concluding part of the ventilating closure I upload on my previous video. On the last video I upload on my channel, this is a continuation. So you can see I just insert a little bit of how I ventilated the closure from the beginning, because some other people may not have seen the video, so I decided to insert it for you guys. If you want to learn how you can do your own ventilating closure, or you want to see how I achieve it, the video is up on my channel. Kindly check that out. So from the beginning, you can see I showed you the carton, as I said in my last video that I was going to show you the carton of the hair. So you can see what I did now. I used the metallic pen to section out the line. You understand? If you notice, this line is closer than my normal line always, because I want this hair to have volume. I want it to look big. You understand? So you can see what I'm doing. I'm crocheting from the back, so with tiny amount of hair, very tiny, because this hair itself has a lot of volume. If you overuse it, it won't come out so beautiful. So I need to work with a very tiny amount of hair. You understand? So I'll allow you guys to keep on watching this amazing tutorial. And guys, please do not forget to click on the like button, subscribe, and share with your loved one. I really appreciate that so much. And if you subscribe already, thank you so much for subscribing to this amazing channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to support your girl. I really appreciate it so much. And guys, please and please, when you are done watching this tutorial, please do not forget to hit on the like button. Please, you guys watch without not liking. I know you guys forget to like. Kindly please, thank you so much for all the support, all the love. I'm really happy with the way you guys are supporting me, but please keep on supporting my growth by clicking on the like button. I really appreciate that so much, guys. Please and please, may God bless each and every one of you for always supporting, for always coming back to watch my amazing tutorial. I really want to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you. I really appreciate each and every one of you so much. Anytime, any day, may God keep blessing you guys for me. So you can see what I did. I'm just crocheting, and I knot the hair twice, guys. Do not forget to knot the hair twice. It's going to secure the hair from shedding. You know, this is a synthetic crochet hair, so we have to work with the hair. And the main reason why I fast forward this video like this, I want you guys to see a lot of steps to understand it. It's not all about you just crocheting alone. It's about you understanding the step, the guideline. If you over crochet, the wig will come out very ugly. You understand? So you can see what I'm doing. I'm crocheting very close to each other. And guys, please do not get tired of me talking. Please, I really love explaining to you guys when I'm doing tutorial. I'm always happy. I'm always glad talking, explaining. If I don't do that, I won't be happy. So this is what I love doing. So do not get tired of you hearing my voice, please. Even though if the voice is not kind of beautiful, just manage this amazing voice. You understand? So guys, I'll allow you guys to keep on watching this amazing video and keep on watching to see how I revive the coiling closure. You know, this closure I already lose the coils, so it's only one thing I use in achieving this coiling closure. Very easy, no stress at all, no stress. So now I'm going to show you guys how I cut the hair. I cut the hair into two, and do not forget to cut a little bit of tip out so that it won't get tangled when you want to section this hair. So keep on watching this amazing video, guys. Okay, we are done. Can you see how full this wig is? How full and beautiful. You understand? Very beautiful. I love the color. I'm going to be rocking this hair on Saturday to a very amazing birthday party. So I'm just trimming the tip. I'm just trimming a little. Please don't over trim because I want the hair to fall like a bob. You understand? Bob look. So I won't over trim this hair at all. I won't over trim it. So I use mousse to activate the coil. Only mousse. Do not use water. Do not use any other thing. Only mousse to activate the coils. Thank you so much for always supporting your girls. Now let's look at the final look. Oh my god, this hair came out so beautiful, so amazing. I really love the final look of this hair. This hair was so on point. This hair came out so lovely, so amazing. Thank you so much for watching. See my next video. Stay blessed always.